Alright, I'm going to show you how to create a new site in Dreamweaver. So I'm in Dreamweaver now, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Site, and I'm going to Manage Sites. I can also say New Site, but I'm going to go to Manage Sites right now. Here are the list of my existing sites. You probably won't have any. I'm going to click on New Site, and I'm going to call this CST 251 version demo. And I'm going to make a new folder on my desktop, or make a new folder anywhere on my machine, or a place where I can keep things. And so I'm going to come to a new folder, and on my new folder is going to say CST 251 v2 v demo. Say create. So I've created a folder for my local drive. So that's it for this. I just name the site and I give it a folder on my local hard drive. See, I have spaces here. That's okay on my local machine because that's just my local machine. I'm going to click on servers. I'm going to click the plus button. I'm going to name this. I'm going to say CST 251 version demo. Set my protocol. Set the address. Set my username. Port is going to be 22. I'm going to leave that there. Username is my auto ID. I'm going to test this real quick, make sure it works. Okay, it's giving me success. And now, but what's going to happen is when I go into this, actually I'm going to click on this and save it, and I'm going to show you what happens. Say done. If I come into, I click on this little arrow right here, I'm sorry, this little expand window, and then I click the connect button. It's going to show me what's on the server, and look what happens. I have all of the users on that server. I don't want that as my root web directory. So I'm going to come back and I'm going to edit this, and all I have to do is go to Manage Sites and double click on my site, and I'm going to say let's go back to the servers, double click on that, and say my root directory is my last name, first initial, and the web URL is classes, and I'm going to test that again. Again, it's successful. Hit save, and it's going to update my cache. I'll say done. And then I'm going to come back and reconnect. We'll connect there. Still good, but it's still, my CST 251 folder is still here. I want to be inside that as my main site because I'm doing all my development inside CST 251. So one more time, I'm going to come back and manage my sites. One trick I've learned is you can click on the site name twice, and it automatically takes you in to edit that site. So I double click here, and I'm going to say, look, put it inside CST 251. And say OK. We'll connect one more time. Now here's all my content inside my CST 251 site, which is great. This is exactly what I want it to look like. So we're all set. Hopefully this helps set up Dreamweaver sites. Obviously you can push content up by bring it down and push it up by selecting it. That puts the entire site, or we can just pick individual files and bring them down. So just like SFTP software, it's exactly what it is. Okay, hope this helps.